Today I'm on a woodpecker hunt, and I've already got some beautiful footage of woodpeckers. Big guys. I think maybe they've flown away for now, but there were 5 or 6 of them, including, I think, a juvenile, making a funny sound. They're back here somewhere. I know they flew away, but not very far. And I see one over there. Well, I'm going to try over here. I'm just going to see what's going on. A Piper spit, you see all these people with huge cameras with ginormous lenses. Man, if they could see this. I don't know if there's anybody here. With these guys, you hear them before you see them, and you don't necessarily hear the pecking, you hear them scritching along on the bark. Yeah, there's probably one over there. Oh, there's one over there. Now, where is it? There it is. It seems like everywhere I look today, I see a woodpecker. I've never seen them in 30 years of living here. It's truly incredible. We get such lovely old trees here too, and I think they like the old growth. Trees, look at that. And I hear a guy in here, so I'm going to try to find him. I'm really surprised how they like to go along the ground. Never sort of saw them that way. Where is he? There he is. Ooh. Unfortunately, this is what they do. They see me, they don't like me, of course. Don't blame them. I'm quite a long way away. See, I'm like that. I'm not really close. Here's one. They're just flying all over the place today. Oh. Yeah, I think they must like these old, there's a lot of rotten old logs here with bugs. So I guess they do like the ground. Oh, there's one up there. Uh-oh. Now that we may have that thing where the juveniles want to be fed. We've had that with every bird species we've ever seen. Oh, come back, Mama. It happens a lot. Every type of bird, they're really basically grown up. They're weaned and everything like that, but they don't want to be. They want Mama back. I can't get him. It sounds like he's kind of whining a bit. I'm not getting shots of the whole bird too often. Oh, don't tell me there's 2 in one shot. That's fantastic. Look at that. Need to go back a little ways. I wonder if they are getting fed still. Because that little sucking, yeah, look at that. That sucky little noise they make means, Mama, come feed me. It looks like, perhaps, that's what's going on, I don't know. It's fluffing its wings. We saw this at Piper Spit a lot. We saw it with the blackbirds. Half of them that we saw were flapping their wings and cheeping and cheeping. Look at that. I don't know what's going on here. In tandem, I guess. I'm going to use up my whole battery. I don't really care, though. It's probably the best bird footage I've ever had. And that's a funny noise. The other ones aren't making that sound. That's why I think it's trying to get attention. Obviously it knows how to feed itself though. You just have to be alert and then maybe you can see the whole bird. Popping around. Just popping up and down. There goes its head. Look at this. It's like a construction site. It's really quite something. I want to try to get both of them in. Huh! This is amazing! Where'd he go? Oh, he flew away. The other one's still there, and I won't be able to find it too easily. You try to find that little bit of red. How beautiful it's been. First I see an owl during the day, see it flying across the back. And then I figure out what birds there are at the feeder, which is not at all what I thought. They're red-breasted nuthatch. I thought they were chickadees. And then this guy, these guys, there's usually two of them too. There's two of them in there. Can't really hold it too still. I'm going back. Oh, I find this completely amazing. It's hard to zero in though, I'll tell you. He's not there.